Hi everyone, Liz here, thanks for stopping by. So, happy 5th of December, ooh, another day to open. Yesterday's project was this lovely little Merry Christmas picture. I think you'll have seen my unboxing of this, absolutely, I think it's really sweet and very sparkly. And look at those snowflakes. And yes, I did get some spares, and we like extras. And I love how they've done the holly with like the green marquee in the middle, and then the green outline of it was the holly. It just looks really clever, really pretty. And then just some ABs mixed in, all the yellow on the tree, all like the bunting on the tree, and the ribbon here on the parcel are all AB coated. So yeah, love that. It is light up, so it will light up. And yeah, I mean, I never did find out what you do with these bits. I'm still convinced that that is supposed to go in that little hole there somehow. And it's just too big, so I might have a go at shaving a bit off. But to be honest, at the moment, you don't really need it. It will stand up on its own. Obviously, you don't want to be anywhere where it's going to get knocked, because it is quite, I wouldn't say flimsy, but, you know, rocky, shall we say. Unstable, that's the word. So, yeah, what I'll probably do is put this on my mantelpiece above my fireplace. And then, yeah, it'll just sort of stand there for a while. Unless I stick it on the wall. It may go on the wall. I've not quite decided where all my decorations are going yet. We have been decorating our Christmas tree today, and looking at all the toys that we've had in the past and reliving memories of where we bought them. Real nostalgic. I collect glass Christmas tree toys, and we tend to buy them from places that we go to. And I've got others that have been given to me by my grandma and my mum, so some of them are very old. So yeah, a lot of happy memories of decorating the tree. But I did break one. I'll put a little video clip in. Bye bye dragonfly. Oh, look, it fell and it's broken. Oh, and this is one of my favourites that I've had, ooh, well over 20 years. And yeah, that's really sad. But it was just so heavy, and there's no way to mend him now, unfortunately. So we've hoovered up the glass bits. Never mind, but yeah, you can see how big it was. Yeah, next to my hand, it was a big toy. We always lose one every year, but never mind. Okay, bye for now. It was my big dragonfly, and I've had it, well, it will be over 20 years, and I've really looked after it, and it just slipped out of my hand while I was decorating. So I'm very sad about that. We do normally lose one every year, and with them being the thin glass, there's no way that you can stick them back together or do anything with them. So a bit sad, but anyway, makes room for another one for next year. Anyway, let's get into this and have a look. Okay, we're on number 5, and number 5 is a long, thin one. Ooh, it's quite big actually, quite deep. Ooh, it's quite light. It's got a bit of a wobble, bit of a noise to it. Okay. So, ooh, what's this? Okay. Ooh. Ooh, it's a ceramic pen cutter. It doesn't cut pens, it's a ceramic cutter in the shape of a pen. Okay, so let's have a look at this. How do we get into it? Oh, there's the, okay, got that there. And then it's very light. And that must be like the blade in the end there. So is that ceramic? Is that blade ceramic, do we think? It looks sort of silvery, shiny metal to me, so I'm not quite sure why the ceramic. But anyway, let's have a play with it. Let me grab some paper and we'll have a play with this and see if it works. Let me just put these out the way. Okay, so I've just got a piece of copy paper, just standard I use in my printer, and I've got my glass cutting mat because I don't want to go through my table. I tend to prefer glass cutting mats now. particularly with paper crafting, to using one of the self-healing mats, because I tend to find they seem to drag more, and to me they seem to blunt your craft knives quicker than using one of the glass mats. So it's just years of trial and error, and it is just my opinion. Let me know what you use if you do any paper crafting. So let's see. Let's do a... Ooh, we've got a bit... Oh, look at that. Look how straight that edge is. There's no fairy bits at all. That's cut through like a knife through butter. And I didn't really need much pressure. So let's see if we can do wiggly lines. Oh, I think it's going to take a bit of getting used to keeping the blade in the right place. Yeah, as I've gone down, look, I've not had my blade in the right place. So that's been user error as I've done that one. So let's try again. Okay. Okay, yeah, so it just takes a little bit of manoeuvring and remembering to keep that blade in the right place. Yep, so I've just missed that little bit there. It's just as I'm going through that corner. Yeah, so it's great for doing straights. If you're going to do a curve, you've got to remember to try and keep it flat, keep your paper still. I would possibly use some washi tape or something that comes off easily, or a masking tape, and hold it down, because you've got to keep it still while you're cutting. But yeah, on the whole, I am impressed with that. Okay, so nice little present, and as far as I know, actually that's not that sharp, you know, to touch. I'm not, you know, if I was doing that with a craft knife, there'd probably be blood everywhere. So let me tidy this up and I'll be back. Yeah, so I've wanted one of these for a while, and I think like any craft tool, you've got to get used to it to see how you handle it, to see whether you like it or not. But yeah, on the whole, I am impressed with that. I think when I'm going to be doing fiddly little bits of decoupage cutting, you know, when you've got like the space in between that you need to cut out, if somebody's got the hands on the head and you just need to cut that bit out where their arm, between their arm and the body, yeah. So I will give that a go. But yeah, I mean, they're not a particularly cheap item, so some pretty good items in this advent calendar so far. I am liking it lots. Okay, so I'll pop that one back in. As I say, I'm keeping them all in for now, so that I know where they are while I decide what to do with them. So I hope you've enjoyed seeing these, and I will pass you on to today's Christmas jumper and what everybody else has got in their advent calendars. So this way. Okay, so today's Christmas jumper again is another plain grey. They seem to like grey, possibly because the black Scotties do tend to stand out quite nicely on the plain grey. It's just your cuffs there, your long sleeves, and just a plain crew neck jumper. And again, this is one of my older ones. It has like a mohair Scottie at the bottom, a white Scottie, or even a Westie. It's got quite a stub nose, so you could even get away with saying that's a Westie, a West Highland white. And it's got beautiful jewelled collar on there, a double jewelled collar, and you can see its little eye. And then the little black Scottie, Scottish Terrier, again has the red jewels, which really show up. And then it does have a little eye right in there, but you can't really see it. So that's today's Christmas jumper. Do you think I've got a bit of an obsession with Scotties and Christmas jumpers? Wait till you see my t-shirts. Okay, see you tomorrow. So, 5th of December. Millie, say happy 5th of December. Yeah, it's getting dark in here, isn't it? So, let's have a look. Where's number 5? It's here. Look, it's here. So, are we looking? Are we looking? Let's get into this one. What have we got in this one? What have we got in this one? Let's see. Oh, they're the same as yesterday again. So 3 days on the trot, the same one. Let's break them up, because you don't seem to like them in big bits, do you? Oh, there you are. Take it as a smaller bit. No, we're definitely not as keen on these as we were the little ones, are we? No, definitely not as keen. We'll have them if there's nothing else, but there you are. There's all your bits. Are you having a chomp? Yeah. Oh, we're eating it reluctantly. Oh dear. Oh dear. Well, if there's nothing else, I suppose I'll eat these. Is that the last bit? Last bit. Oh, and then we're going to check the crumbs. Yeah, just check the crumbs. Yeah, is there any bits more? Do you want to check there's any more in there? Is it empty? Yep. So, that's ready for tomorrow. Okay, close that one. And the 6th is there, look, ready for tomorrow. I'm going to say bye, Milly. Hey. Bye and see you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Oh. Say bye, Milly. See you tomorrow. The 5th's there, look, with the drumstick on it. I've really got the hang of this now. There's always a bit of foil on it. Oh, what we got? Oh, a drumstick. What does it say?
How many factory windows? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
That one was an easy one. Right, see you tomorrow.
Yes.
Are you helping out, Milly? Yeah, are you helping? Bye for now. Okay, hope you've enjoyed this little video. If you have, a thumbs up would be much appreciated. That's the little button. Oops, just down here, the little thumbs up button. Just lets me know that you're enjoying it and gives YouTube a little nudge to let them know that I'm still here. And if you want to come back and see what's in day number 6, and I hope you can join me. I know there's a lot of people doing advent calendars and things at the moment, but I do appreciate each and every watch that I get and letting you see what I've been up to. So if you want to come back and see all that, then if you press that subscribe button and the little bell next to it, you'll be notified when my next video comes out. So thanks for stopping by. Hope to see you all again soon. Bye for now.